To use magnification on a Nothing phone 3A, first we need to go to Settings, scroll down in the settings to find Accessibility, and then in Accessibility we want to scroll down to find Magnification. First we need to create a shortcut, so we can tap on this widget to create the shortcut. It looks like this by default. We can also press Customize button to customize the button shortcut. You can also move it around if you want to. Now, over here we can now tap on this shortcut button. So we can extend it by swiping it towards the middle, and then we can tap on it in order to activate it. And you can tap once on the screen to zoom in, and then you can just do whatever you want to do on the screen. You can move around by using two fingers, so with two fingers you can move around. You can drag them across around the screen. You can pinch with two fingers to adjust the zoom. And you can tap on the button again in order to stop using the zoom completely. We can also zoom in temporarily. We can make sure that your magnification type is set to full screen first, which is over here, magnification type. So we need to switch to full screen and press save. And now we can use a shortcut to start magnification, and then we need to touch and hold anywhere on this screen. So with this option now enabled, we can touch and hold in order to use the zoom. And if you lift your finger, you will zoom out. And you can also touch and hold. Let's try it one more time. I guess it doesn't work, so let's turn off and turn on. And then we can also drag around with our finger if you want to. And that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!